Here we are with the Silverback Cedar Creek. This is the 35qb4. You got your aluminum rims on here, electric awning. Nice thing with it too, I don't know if you can see on the top right here, there's a metal plate, so when it's rolled up it protects it. This side you're gonna have, well, let's show you the two doors. Your main entry door. This is the back room door. It leads you right to the bathroom, which is kind of nice. So when you're outside, you don't have to walk all the way through. You got your storage right in here. This is 40 foot long, 4 slides. And what I really like about it is, I don't know if you can see right here, is the middle slides kind of have a shape to it. So it just kind of makes it a little bit different. A lot of storage inside and out. 50 amp hookup. That's going to be your water heater. Big pass-through storage area. All your water hookups. You have your back flush, which is nice right here. Outdoor shower. All of that. This passes through. It's hard to see because the other side's shut. Your battery. You got your control jacks for the front and back legs, so they're both electric, which is nice. On here too, let me show you. So it has all these hooks all the way around. Not hooks, but like, I don't know what you call them, but that holds, I'll show you, your RV skirt, which is neat. So if you are going to be sitting somewhere for a long time, you have your full skirting right here. Big storage area in here if you ever wanted to put a generator. I mean, you got tons of room in there, plus some. Okay. Your propane tanks will be in here. Let me just turn that. And then it has the regulator, so it'll switch over when one's empty. You do have your outside plugs and everything out here. So if you wanted to put a TV out here, you have a TV underneath your awning. So your double entry once again. Let's go in. Oh, and this is neat too. It's outside, so if you wanted to have your trash can in here or whatever you would like, a huge storage area. And actually right there's a garbage disposal, which is kind of neat. You don't really see that much. Okay. So right when you come in, you'll see this is going to be your built-in vac system. In the box in there, you have all the attachments. A nice stone finish. I guess I'll keep the door open. So right here's all your buttons for your awnings, your slides, your lights inside out, your water heater, your AC. So in here you'd put your table, your chairs. Sorry, it's a little windy outside, but you have your TV, fireplace, also electric. This also is your DVD player if you ever watch DVDs anymore. So lots of storage inside here, which is nice. Really deep cabinets. Inside, up, above, below. And this could be essentially your pantry, which is really nice to have all this extra space for all your pantry item. You could even add little shelf dividers to make it smaller for cans and everything. This door right here, you would just slide it. You can see the track right there. Just slide it shut. If you did have kids back here or you wanted to make this an office. So we do have the second bunk that goes right here like this. We just took it out because we were going to put a desk here or something, entertainment stand. But you can see, just look at all the storage back here. Storage underneath this bed. This bed right here, I can flip it up. It does go up. So if you wanted to sit down here and have this like a day bed, you could push that all the way up. You can just see just tons of storage again. Just a lot of it. This has a ceiling fan back here, air vent, You got lights on each bunk if you wanted to, or this just comes out easy. This is just screwed up there, pretty easy if you didn't need it. So this is the second door, which is nice, just leads you right to the bathroom. Pretty basic bathroom, but not too bad. We put in new floor vents in here. We'll go to the other half. Show you guys this one more time. Tons of windows and lighting in here, so it's nice and bright. This will be the bathroom. Nice shower. Tons of storage in here again. Storage under the sink. Porcelain toilet. In the bedroom, we actually don't have a bed in here right now, but you'd probably want to bring your own bed anyways, not to sleep on someone else's. You have storage underneath, which is nice. Put all your extra linens, all that in there. And here's your washer dryer hookup if you did want it, as well as just nice big storage. So right there's your water lines, your discharge, and then more storage in here again. I mean, there's just storage all over in here, which is nice. If you're going to be living in it full time or traveling, you have all your space for all your needs. Your second AC is going to be in here. That's pretty much it, I believe. Alright guys.